The monkey wrench is a type of adjustable wrench, a later American development of 18th-century English coach wrenches. It was widely used in the 19th and early 20th centuries, but is now seldom used in the mechanical trades, having been mostly replaced by the newer style of shifting spanner wrench. It is still of interest as an antique among tool collectors and is still occasionally used in maintenance and repair when it happens to be convenient. The term monkey wrench is also sometimes used loosely, usually by non-tradespeople, to refer to the pipe wrench, but tradespeople usually speak more precisely than that. A wrench with smooth jaws is not used for turning threaded pipe. These are also known as a Ford wrench owing to this type of wrench being included in the toolkit supplied with every Ford Model A. They are still used by aircraft technicians, mainly when large but low-torque fasteners are involved. The World English Dictionary gives a nautical definition for monkey as a modifier denoting a small light structure or piece of equipment contrived to suit an immediate purpose, a monkey foresail, a monkey bridge. Adjustable coach wrenches for the odd-sized nuts of wagon wheels were manufactured in England and exported to North America in the late 18th and early 19th centuries. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.